we're going to have recitation. Abanico. So let's see if you can remember the Filipino word, okay? Abanico. Next. Ate.
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 Next, we have aklat.
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 Next, we have ahas.
Ahas.
Avocado. Avocado. Next, we have abo. Abo. Asin.
Asin.
Asin. Asin. Aso. 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 Ama. Ah, very good. Next, is
Abanico.
abanico. Very good. Next,
Ate.
ate. Very good. Next,
Aklat.
aklat. Aklat. Next, this is apo. Very good. Very good.
What's that?
Rob, it's your turn. Okay, Rob, for you. What is the fire? Fire in Filipino. Apoy. Very good. Eliza. Eliza, ano ang sugar apple sa Filipino?
Sugar apple.
Very good. Stephanie. Okay, turn on your video, Stephanie. Your video is off. Ano ang Tagalog or Filipino ng sister?
Ate.
Okay, Lady Isabel. Lady Isabel, ano ang Tagalog? Ay Filipino ng bitter gourd. Say it, ampalaya.
You say again, palaya. You say?
Ampalaya.
Okay. Lindsay.
What's your turn now? Your turn.
Lindsay, this is for you. Ano ang Filipino ng
Avocado.
avocado? Napakadali. Napakahirap pala yung avocado. John Warren.
Your turn now.
Next.
Okay.
Ano ang Filipino ng number 6?
What's
Nim. May M pa, anim. Yes po. Michael. Michael. What is, yes po, what is that okay, very good, Atin. You know how to speak Tagalog ba? Ha, Michael?
I know how to speak Tagalog.
Michael, you know how to speak Tagalog?
Konti lang po.
You have a good memory, for the word in Filipino. You can go na, Michael. I hear that you want to go to it. Okay, next, Mark as well.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, Mark as well. What is the